So I won't ever be afraid. I'm gonna break the chains, I won't take the fame. When it rains, let it wash away the past, and let the pain fall down in between the cracks. Start a game when it covers your tracks. New life shoots forth in the aftermath. There's no doubt that we're gonna see hard times. That doesn't mean that there won't be sunshine. There's always gonna be a sunrise, and the light will shine to the end of time. No matter what, you gotta keep the pace. Take your foot off the brake and escape the cage. We are living in a real life rat race, chasing cheese in a twisted phase. And I blame this civilization. The word Satan belongs to Satan, so you should blame him instead of God. With the free will to do it, he was set apart. So let it rain and every drop be a blessing, just like a message that was sent from heaven. Connect the drops, line them up, done for when the storm rolls in. Just let it, let it, let it. Time of prophecy, most of the world prefers to think logically. There's no blind with the closed third eye, say 99, recline the streets. Need I say elevate, wake up. One day reality is gonna shake you up. Start now with a new beginning. Pipe down from it used to sing. Take it easy and try to be happy. Just let things be and outgrow the nappies. Young guns always know it all. Having too much pride alone comes to fall. There's a lot of things that we can't control, but the lesson we don't learn is how to let go. Let it go with the flow, but still play the role. To water all the positive seeds you've sown. Let it rain and it will still be fine. It's alright, God's light will always shine. So never mind those stormy nights, and in a matter of time, you'll see the sunrise. White clouds and a clear blue sky. You can ease your mind and enjoy your life. We live and die and we cannot hide. So when the storm rolls in, just let it, let it, let it. One way, another path to get in. One God, and He knows how hard. We gotta look within and try to heal our scars. Gotta lighten up and stop